Hello everybody, Stuart Heath here, CEO and founder of Harvard Grace Capital, back with this week's nerdy numbers. And the nerdy number for the week is 80%. That's the odds that the USA Today gives that the Supreme Court will uphold President Trump's tariffs when it hears the case beginning next month, and no real idea when they will rule. Some think it won't be till June. The Trump administration has asked for fast track processing of this case, and we'll see. The Supreme Court's not really known for their speed. Two major cases coming before the Supreme Court this session. One's the tariff case, obviously, and the other one is whether or not he has the right to fire people from the Federal Reserve Board. We won't get into that today. As an investor, I'm seriously concerned about the whole Trump case, and in our rules for investing in commercial real estate, rule number 3 is whatever business your tenant is in, you're in that business too. So we're highly interested in the outcome of the tariffs case. I do support what the president is doing here. He is trying to change the production location for an awful lot of the goods that we use back to the United States. So he's trying to use tariffs to, one, get better and fair deals for American companies, but also give incentives for foreign companies to move their production here that'll create high quality American manufacturing jobs. I totally support that. It's going to take a long time for that to take effect. So I do want to see that happening. I'm not an attorney, but I do have a lot of confidence in the Trump administration's people about how they can make this happen. I don't think that they willy-nilly do this. And keep in mind that the Trump administration, so far in this current administration, beginning this year, he has won, I think, all but 2 times at the Supreme Court. I think it's like 25 times he's won after losing over and over and over again in the lower courts. So they've got something going where they perhaps understand the law than some of these lower courts, and don't want to get political there. So I am for this, but it doesn't matter what I'm for. I don't get a vote. As investors, you need to be watching this because the markets have already pretty much adopted, that this is the way it's going to be. Tariffs and it's caused a little bit of inflation, not near as much as people say, and the naysayers are still saying the tariffs are still out there. They're still coming. I don't believe that. I think it's been in place for 2 quarters now, and we would have seen it already, and we will certainly see it in Q4 if not before. So we would experience it this holiday season. But the markets have accepted it, and if we get another reversal, you're going to see some massive volatility from everything in the equity markets, the bond markets, to the foreign exchange currency market. And I don't think any of us want that. And I think you'd see more labor disruption. So anyway, be watching this. Happy to discuss this with anybody. Reach out, grab my link. Let's have a chat.